Namaste. Karnataka's brave patriotic lady Onnake Obawa, the wife of a soldier who single-handedly killed almost 100 soldiers of Sultan Hyder Ali with just an Onnake, which is a pestle, to save the Chitradurga fort. Bharat had invaders continuously attempting to conquer the land. These invaders were resisted from several corners by the mighty kings and queens of several dynasties of Bharat. Not only did the Rajas and Ranis fought against the invaders, the participation of the common Bharatiya men and women also needs special mention. 18th century Bharat witnessed one such commoner who, without any formal training, fought against the invading Sultan Hyder Ali's soldiers in order to save the Chitradurga fort of Karnataka. It was a lady named Obawa. In the late 1700s, the Chitradurga fort, situated in Karnataka and ruled by Mandakari Nayaka of the Nayaka dynasty, was under constant attempts of the de facto Sultan of Mysore kingdom, Hyder Ali, to conquer it, but he was always in vain every time in several attempts which he made till then. Now, the Nayaka rulers ruled the region for almost 250 years. There was a hole, a big hole, which led to the fort, and one day the Sultan, who came to know of the hole from which the women was attempting to enter the fort, which he saw. Immediately, Hyder Ali, who was desperate to capture the Chitradurga fort, ordered his men to enter the fort through the same hole from which that lady was trying to enter to reach the fort. Now, a lady named Obawa, who was on her way to fetch water from the nearby water source for her husband who came for lunch, she saw the suspicious activity of the enemy soldiers. She did not have much time to go home and inform her husband, who was having his lunch, and her husband was one of the soldiers of the Chitradurga fort. She did not have time to alert the other guards of the fort also. So this lady, this common lady, a common housewife, decided to handle the situation by herself. So Obawa went to the crevices in the other end from where the Sultan's soldiers were expected to come out of the whole path. So the Sultan's soldiers were entering from a hole from below the fort, and on the other side, from where they would come out, Obawa was standing there. She had no weapon at hand. She was not trained in weaponry also, but still her courage pushed her to save her fort. So she had no weapon except a pestle which was lying on her way to the fort. She took that pestle and went to the crevices. So Onnaka in Kannada is Volakku in Tamil, and it means pestle. So she took that pestle and went, she took it in her hand. Now, as the first soldier appeared out of the hole, Obawa hit the soldier hard on the head with her Onnake, that is the pestle, and dragged the dead soldier to the nearby rock. She hid the deceased soldier behind the rock and took her hiding position again, waiting for the next soldier to come. When the next soldier peeped out of the hole, she again hit his head, pulled him, and hid him behind the rock. So in the same way, one after the other soldiers, because that hole can hold just one person at a time. So the subsequent soldier was far behind, and he thinks that the one before him had already come out. He was the soldiers behind were not aware that the soldiers who went before them were hit by Obawa. So Obawa silently did the same to the other soldiers who subsequently tried to enter the fort through the hole. While Obawa was busy preventing Hyder Ali's soldiers from entering the fort single-handedly, her husband, who came in search of her near the lake, he saw his wife drenched in blood, beating the entering enemy soldiers with the onake, the pestle. Immediately, the husband soldier went up hills and alerted the other guards and the king by blowing the alert horn. So by this time, Obawa had already killed more than 100 soldiers of Hyder Ali single-handed. She was just a housewife who didn't know how to fight. She didn't know how to use weapons. On her way to protect the Chitradurga fort, she collected a pestle on the way. She killed almost killed more than 100 soldiers of Hyder Ali. But unfortunately, as she was on this task, when she saw the Nayaka soldiers coming up, she got distracted by the coming Nayaka soldiers, and as she was directing the soldiers to come to this place towards the enemies, the last soldier of the Sultan who came out of the hole stabbed Obawa and killed her, stabbed her at the back and killed her. Obawa lost her life in her attempt to save the kingdom, the Chitradurga fort. This is what we see, patriotism in a common man, an ordinary lady. The amount of patriotism she had towards her land to fight against the sultans, the invaders, is what is the pride of Bharat. It is the native courage of Bharat. So Obawa was neither a king nor any trained warrior. She was a common woman, a common housewife. Her husband was Kahale Mudda Hanuma, who was a guard of the Chitradurga fort. The bravery shown by Obawa, a common lady citizen of the Nayaka kingdom, is the outcome of her immense patriotism and realization of her duty to safeguard her Mathrubhumi from the invading Sultan Hyder Ali's forces. Now, since Obawa killed Hyder Ali's soldiers with just a pestle at hand, which is called Onnake in Kannada language, she came to be called as Onnake Obawa. So, the hole through which Hyder Ali's soldiers entered is called the Onnake Obawa Kindi, where Kindi means a hole in Kannada language. Today, it is a tourist spot near the Chitradurga fort, also called Kalina Kote, meaning stone fort, and Yelu Suttina Kote, meaning the fort of 7 circles. So Obawa was born on 11th November. The year is not known. In the Chalavadi Hoyala's community of Karnataka, honoring the tremendous courage and patriotism of Onnake Obawa and her great sacrifice of life in the attempt to save kingdom from the invaders. The Karnataka government has taken up several initiatives as a tribute to her remembrance, like celebrate 11th November as Onnake Obawa Jayanti through the state. Named a sports stadium as Veera Vanita Onnake Obawa Stadium. Then erected a statue sculpted by Sri Ashok Gudigar. Set up a women's foundation in her name, and the Chitradurga police also incorporated a women's squad named Obawa Pade. So Karnataka's brave lady Onnaka, who single-handedly killed more than 100 invading soldiers of Sultan Hyder Ali with just a Onnake, the pestle, is the pride of Bharat's soil. Onnake Obawa is no less than any warrior. After knowing about Onnake Obawa, can anyone ever say that Indian women are weak and suppressed? Jai Hind.